Hi traders, so if you may already know this, I started a $1,000 live trading account to prove that it is possible to trade with a $1,000 account with a very old school strategy with a great money management system in a completely automated way and actually make money. If you know this as well, I started a $100 account like half year ago, like more than 6 months ago, that is now at 208% gain, and I decided to continue that challenge and to grow it and to prove that it is possible to grow it long term and not just for a few weeks or for a few months but for years. So you can follow that as well, what kind of trades I was taking during the war when it started between Russia and Ukraine, and during all these COVID situations and this craziness of the world. And so 3 weeks ago I started a $1,000 account as I promised, and this is an account where I want to prove that it is possible to grow a moderate account, and it is possible to grow it without any major drawdown, like an account blowing drawdown, and with a more than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now this account is now at 28%, and if you think about it, it's been 3 weeks and it is at 28%. It is not that bad, and the risk to reward ratio is now at 1-to-1. It is not the best, and I want to increase it, and I want a minimum of 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. With this whole war situation, it was a mess, and I am glad I could actually make profit and show that it is possible to make money with a moderate account, as well as with a small account, even during these crazy situations. And only one thing was needed, and it is money management. Without money management, without a great money management, it couldn't be possible. Both of the accounts would have been blown by now. And so it is great to know that, yeah, it is possible, but you have to learn the basics. You have to learn money management. I actually use a 3-way money management system, and not just a stop loss and take profit, because in these situations it won't work, because when you win, you have to win much more than when you lose. But basic fixed stop loss and take profit doesn't really work this way, because you have to have a dynamic exit where, based on indicators, percentages, or a database, your algorithm decides when you just have to exit the markets in positive or in negative territory. And of course you will have to use a stop loss and take profit as well as a range, but between that range, that dynamic exit will be the key to actually make money in the markets. Now I will publish the live account, so you will be able to follow it if you want to, and I hope it will be a great learning for all of you. And one more thing, if you are interested in some live trading on these accounts, I will be more than happy to do some videos on live trading, and so leave me some comments and tell me if you are interested in that or not. Ciao.